I don't think people understand how much clutter can quietly take over your life. Before we dive in, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MetaMind with Divya for more tips on living with less stress and more peace. Hey, ever feel like your life is just too much? Too many things, too many plans, too many pings? Trust me, I get it. Clutter creeps in everywhere. Not just in your closet, but in your calendar, your phone, even your headspace. So today, I'm walking you through 5 easy steps to declutter your life right now and finally make space for what really matters. Step 1. Declutter your space. Look, your environment seriously affects your mood and focus. Pick one area, maybe your desk, your closet, or even just a junk drawer. Go through everything and ask yourself, have I used this in the last 6 months? If not, it's time to toss it, donate it, or just let it go. The one-touch rule helps. If you touch something, make a decision about it right then. No more moving piles from one corner to another. Step 2. Simplify your schedule. Your time is your most precious resource. Check your weekly commitments. Work, social events, those may be plans you said yes to out of guilt. What's draining you? If something doesn't serve your goals or happiness, it's okay to say no. Seriously, protect your peace. Saying no isn't selfish. It's self-care. Step 3. Declutter your digital world. Digital clutter is sneaky. Unsubscribe from those emails you never read. Delete apps you haven't touched in months. Organize your files and photos into folders. Give yourself a fresh digital start. And set a reminder for a quick 10-minute digital declutter session each week. Step 4. Let go of toxic relationships. This one's tough, but it's a game changer. Notice who drains your energy and who lifts you up. Set boundaries, and don't feel guilty for protecting your mental health. Ask yourself, does this relationship help me grow or hold me back? Step 5. Clear your mind daily. Even just 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Try meditation, journaling, or simply sitting quietly with your coffee. Start with 3 minutes if that's all you've got. The point is to give your mind a little breathing room every day. Decluttering isn't about chasing perfection. It's about making intentional choices and creating space for clarity, purpose, and peace. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, you've got this. Hit subscribe if you want more simple tips, and check out my next video on how to simplify your morning routine.